Step 1. Add 30 drops of iodine solution into the first 200 milliliter beaker filled with 200 milliliters of water. Step 2. Stir well. Step 3. Add 2 teaspoons of starch into the second beaker filled with 200 milliliters of water. Step 4. Stir well. Step 5. Pour 15 milliliters of the iodine solution into the dialysis tubing with a knot on the end. Step 6. Attach the dialysis tubing bag of iodine solution to the side of the beaker with a binder clamp as a placeholder for now. Step 7. Pour 15 milliliters of the starch solution into the second dialysis tubing bag with the knot on the end. Step 8. Attach the dialysis tubing bag of starch solution to the side of the beaker with a binder clamp as a placeholder for now. Step 9. Pour 300 milliliters of each solution into 2 separate 1000 milliliter beakers. Step 10. Place the starch solution tube into the beaker of iodine and the iodine solution into the beaker of starch. Step 11. Leave the beakers and the solutions for 12 to 15 minutes. This experiment is a simulation to represent diffusion across molecules and certain solutions. An important thing to know is that starch turns purple when it reacts to iodine. The iodine in starch solution is a hypertonic reaction because the iodine slowly starts to spread outside of the dialysis tubing. It may be hard to see, but we know this is so because of the light purple ring surrounding the tube of iodine in the first beaker. The second beaker of starch tube in the iodine solution represents a hypotonic reaction because the starch tube turns slightly purple. From our observations, we can conclude that the dialysis tube represents a semipermeable membrane.